All right, I'm just about to see if everyone can hear me or not. Just give me a second. Anyway, I'm just talking right now. Tell me if you can hear me. The person that I have testing this, just send it back to my messenger, and then I'll get the video started. Let me get some stuff out the way. Anyway, I'm talking still. Just, can you hear me? Just, alright, they can hear me. Anyway, I'm about to start teaching you guys how to code right now. Read the description, doing basic HTML stuff. Start on Google. Ignore all of my searches. I was like, what? I was very surprised. But anyway, what you want to look up is W3 Schools. Try it editor. It'll be the first one, or maybe this one actually. I think both of those will take you to the same place. No, this is just explaining the try it editor. Alright. Sorry. Should have known that already. Should have known that. Already seemed like I don't know what I'm talking about. Alright, here we are. Full screen. Alright. See, on this, I'm a dark mode kind of user. On this side, it would be the results. This side is your code. So every website is made in HTML. So before you begin anything, you actually have to define it as HTML. So you have to do this symbol, bracket. We can call it a bracket. Type in all caps, doc type. I'm sorry. Exclamation point, doc type, HTML. Enter. You can press enter as many times as you want. Then HTML always are this. HTML. And every HTML, these are called tags. Every tag pretty much will have a closing tag. HTML. I usually just start to close mine automatically. You don't have to. I do it just so that I don't forget. Okay. Coders usually press tab so that they can see things a little bit easier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you guys how to insert a basic image. So start image or example image, anything will work. We got this guy we'll take this guy relaxing. What I'm going to do, open this image in a new tab. Okay, see this? Actually, this will probably be better. See this right here? This is the image link. So we're going to copy that. I press Control C. You can just right click and click copy. But here. Now, to put in an image, you have to put img, that stands for image, space. And here are things. See, this is the tag. The image tag. Here are the attributes. Attributes are just extra things about the tag. Like, for example, SRS, that's the source. It's telling it where you're getting the image from. Then you want to press equals so it knows this is the source. Then in these quotes, in two quotes, you want to put the link right there. You want to paste the link right there. Now, we're going to add another attribute. You don't always have to add this one. Alt. This stands for alternate text. This way, that if the image doesn't load, these words will show up when it doesn't. So we'll just give it relax. Then we want to close it. You want to close every tag. But because an image tag doesn't have anything in between there, you don't have to actually put /image. It's like one of the only ones that you don't have to do that for. Click run. Here's the image. Now it's a little bit big. See, it's there. See, you have the scroll bar at the bottom. It's too big. So what you want to do is you want to add another attribute. Height, or not, I'm sorry, width. And we'll just give it maybe 100 pixels. Run. That made it 100 pixels wide. You can change that to 1,000 or whatever you want. Just here, random numbers. I like that. I like that size. That's our image. Next, press enter a few times. I'm going to teach you guys how to add a, let me see. We're going to add some text. So we're going to do this. BR. That means a break. So there's going to be, it's basically like pressing enter on your keyboard. BR. It's going to add space between them. It'll be underneath it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put div. Well, actually, no. What I want to do is make a body tag. This will be the body text, and where most of our stuff is. You have to close out body too. Wait a second. I'm sorry. Wait. There we go. You have to close everything, or it's not gonna work. Now we're gonna type in hello world. See? It disappears right there. World. This is my first time coding in HTML. Run. Alright. So now we have that. Let's say we want to have a link. So what you're going to do is make the A tag, and you can go ahead and close it. In between there, see this in between here? It's whatever you want the link to say. Let's say, click me. Bam, just click me. It didn't go anywhere though. We haven't told it to go anywhere. So you want to put space. To add the attribute, href equals, and of course, quotes. And because we're going to link to a website that isn't on this website, you're going to have to put HTTP or HTTPS / or / then the link, google.com. There. Click me. See, now it looks like a proper link. So if I click on it, it would open up Google, but because of this website host, it's not going to do that. So just my basic link. Now we're going to add one more attribute to the link, to the A tag. We're going to add in target equals _ blank. Now what this will do is make it open up in a new tab. And there you go, Google. I'll do maybe one more thing. Okay, so what you want to do? We're going to make a button. So we're going to go BR because I want a space. Button, just button tag. Hello. Button. It's a button that does nothing because there's no code to make it do something. Just a button. Maybe two more things. Three. A few more. We have this nice little place over here. We're gonna do this. We're gonna go back up to the top. We're gonna add H1. We're already closing it. Don't forget to close everything except for images and BR and breaks, line breaks. That's what I should call BR tags, but whatever. H1, we're gonna type in, this is my site. Run. Big letters. This is my site. All right. Now BR, we're going to do HR, and it's going to create a divider line. See it like that? I'm going to do another BR. And now I'm going to type a few more things. Also, just for your information, H1, if you make it H2, make it smaller, make it H3, make it smaller, and it goes all the way to H6. Yeah, but for now, we're going to leave it at H1. Now let's see what it's gonna do. Sorry guys, I just want to think of things to teach off the bat that isn't very hard. Basics. Like I could go into CSS, jQuery, and all that stuff right now, but I don't want to. I'm at a loss. I had something planned. I just don't remember. Give me a second, please, to think. Oh, I'm sorry. Now I remember. We're gonna have this. Watch this. So you're gonna make a tag that says text area. You don't have to close this one. It creates this. You can resize it. Oh, I'm sorry. You do have to close this. I'm sorry. That was a mistake on my part. You can just type stuff in here. Just place to type in whatever you want. But this text area is, you can change the size of it. You don't always want that. So, BR input type equals text. I'm pretty sure you don't have to close this one. Yeah, it's input that you don't have to close. Hello. This one's linear. Yeah, different. Now, this works for both text area and the input text. We're going to add an attribute. Placeholder equals, let's just say, type here. Bam. See this? See, it goes away. Type here. Now, for the input type, we're going to add an attribute value type here. See this? It's different. They're two different things. Anyway, that's all I'm thinking about teaching you guys for today. Come back later if you guys want another thing. Hope you guys actually enjoyed this, or not enjoyed. Hope you got something useful out of this. See ya.